Okay, that's our introduction for Still Got the Blues by Gary Moore. We're going to come in with his 14 on the G string to 15 on the second string. We're going to bend the 17th fret. Okay, so a 14, 15, 17, and then we bend that up a half step. And then we bend the 17 a half step again and hit the 17 to 15. So it's. And then 13 and 15, you got a full step bend on that 15. So we had an up and down on the 15 to the 13 and slide down. So all together we got. So 10, 12, 13, and then bend it. Up and down to the 12. Then we're going to kind of rake these couple strings, go into the 10 on the second string. So I kind of rake to the 10 on the second string, and then third string I went 12 and bend. So. And at the very end of that one, you can let it come down from the bend and slide down also. And then we're into our verse. Okay, so what that is open to 3 on the A string, to the 2 on the D string, and then we're gonna get into a D minor 7, open on the D, 2, 1, 1. Go up and down that, then we go to a big G, we're gonna do the big one and the little 3 strings. And then C chord bass with the top 3 strings there. And then down to a F major 7, 3, 2, 1, open. And then we're D minor. And then E, big E with bottom 3 strings. And then we're going up at A minor, O2 to the 2, 1, 2 and 3 in the bass. And then we start again with the O, 3, 2. Now the second time we're going to do D minor twice. And then we're going to go E7, O2, O1, open, open. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 12 of those. And then we got 9, 10, and 8 to 7, 8, 7. Back to 9, 10, 8. And then 11, 10, 8. Then we're going to have these 8s here. And then an E7 chord. So that's kind of like a 7-9 chord for F. So I skip the D string on the way down. And then we'll go to an E7. You don't really need that one because we're going to skip that D on the way down too. So it's like 7 on the A string, skip the D and go 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. And then we have A minor. Okay, so 5, 7, 7, 5, 7, 7. Next verse. Twice. Hits on E7. We got those hits up here, 9, 10, 8. Then this time we're going to go twice through this A minor picking. Now we have a new part, kind of a bridge. 7, 7, and 5 on these bottom 3. to all 7s on those 3. And then 5s, just 3 times, down to the G here, 4, 3, 3. Back to D here, 7s. And then we got A minor, G, F major 7. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then we got another lead coming in. So this next lead is gonna go kind of the same thing. It's gonna go. Okay, they're all a little bit different, so you gotta look for the little subtleties. So that time we kind of bent it up, and then we hit the 17, 15. Can slide down. Now we're gonna go 12 before the 13, 15. Slide that down, then 10, 12, 13, and bend. So here we have a 10 on the second, bend the 12 on the G, back to that 10. 12. And a little half step bend on that 12 with a slide down. Then we're back to 14, 15, 17. Okay, this one's interesting. We bend that 17 a half step again. We hit the little 15, then we bend the 15 on the second, and then hit it regular. So it's 12, 13, 15 again. And this one's really cool. You got a little 13 here. So it was. So little 13, bend on the 15, 15, 13, slide down. 10, 12, 13 again. So this one he kind of holds that 13 bend. Hits it twice. Comes down, pulls off to the 10. 2 more bends here. And then a quick little riff, little 10. Pull off, 13, 10 to 12 over here. Then we go way up high. We're on the 20th fret. We go. Okay, so a full step bend on that 20. Then we have a half step. We have a really fast run here. Just take it nice and slow. We got. So a mess of notes here. I always got to listen to these a lot. Okay, so we got the bend on the 20, half step bend to the 17 after the 20, and then pull off here 20 to 17 on the second, and then bend that 19 a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the 17 on the second, and then we're bending this, regular 19, so 17 to 19 on the D, 19, 19, 17, 19, we're gonna bend that 19, 17, 17, 17 on the second, little pull off, 20, 17, 19, 17, up and down on the 19. Okay, so it kind of ends with. Okay, so once again, it was kind of like. And then we're back in that chorus, we got. So you kind of have some strums on that A power chord. Boom, 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 boom. E7. Second half of the chorus. Here we're just going to hold these chords. We got the F7, 9, 8, 7, 8, 8, 8 to the E7, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. Got to have some A minor to finish that off. Then we got another lead. We got. So the only thing different here is we have a little pop, little staccato on the 10 with a slight space after it before we go to the 12, 13. Here we can kind of rake up again. You can hit kind of like a 12, 12, 10. Or you can just kind of rake those where you don't have a specific note. You can have to go into the 10, 12, half step bend, 13 bend, 15 bend with a slide down, and then. Got that little 13 thing again. Okay, now we're gonna have a 10 on the second. We're gonna bend that 12 and come back to the 10. Okay, so we have a series of 12, 10, 10, 12, 10, 10. Then we're gonna have a 12, 10, 13, 10, 12. And a few 12 fret half step bends. Okay, then we have a little 15. And then second string, 15's a couple bends. Pull off, 14 over here in the G. You got 15, 14, 13. Kind of a 15 at the end, so it's like. Then we have a 10 to 13 hammer with a bend on it. We're gonna have a 10, little 12 half step. And then down to the 10. 12, 13, 10. This is a fast one, so you gotta listen to this one a lot. We got 12, 13, little 10. Pull off here. 12 in the G. 10 to 13, little 10, bend the 13. Up and down to the 12. And then we got hammer on, pull off, 10, 12, 10. 9. Couple bends on that 10. 9 on the G. Got like a first finger bend on that 5 on the G to the 5 there. Okay, now the fastest solo in this I'm not messing with on this lesson. We might look at that as his own lesson, but it's super fast stuff. This stuff is hard enough as it is. So we'll get you started on this. Maybe we'll look at that one of these days if you guys want it. Now this last lead of the outro is gonna go. So just to do something a little different, he slid that 13 into 15. Then bend it. So here we're gonna go a little rake to that 10 again and bend that 12 in the G. So it's 10, 12, bend, 10, and then the 9 on the G. 12 on the second, 13 up and down. So this one had the 12, 13, 15. Bend up, little 15 underneath. Up and down, pull off. Quick pull off there. Up and down there to the 12. And then we got 9, 9. Coming to the end of the song. Then we're going to bend this 8 on the second string. And then we're going to go a little 8. And then a hammer on, pull off to the 5s. So it's. Same thing on the second. Same on the third with the 7. And then 7, 7, 7. And then 5, 7, 5, 8. We got 8, 8, 5, 8, 7, 5, 7 over here. So 7, 7, 7, 5, 7, 5, 4. And then 7, 5, 7, 5, 3, 2. Slide into the 5 at the end there. Okay, so outro solo we got. All right, still got the blues. Gary Moore, some great stuff. Amazing guitar player. Tabs with this. Thanks for watching. See y'all soon.